Hi everybody, you guys are up close and personal. I am wearing makeup. I'm not wearing foundation because I did not want to wear foundation. My skin is really nice right now, so I am only wearing lipstick, well, liquid lipstick, wearing eyelashes. I did my brows. They look a little bit weird, but I'm gonna get them done in New York. And then I'm wearing white eyeliner in the bottom. I just wanted to try that out. Like, I wanted to try it out and see how it looks. It looks kind of pretty. I added some earrings, and I'm wearing these freaking cheetah print or leopard. I always say cheetah print. You know, I love this. This reminds me of Snooki. And I am wearing her shoes. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, I can't show you. I'm wearing her shoes. Let me sit down. These are the shoes that I'm wearing. They're from Snooki. And I love them. They remind me of watching the Jersey Shore. I freaking love that. Anyways, these are like my favorite. I want to get like more pairs. I am gonna visit her store when I go to New York in New Jersey, because her store is located in New Jersey, and I'm just like fanning over that. Like I legit, like, I'm so hyped to visit New York and go to the store. Like, I'm gonna take a lot of pictures there. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. This is my first unboxing of Boxy Charm. I did open the box just to see that everything was in there, because I've never like had this subscription. I am more of like cheap, so I was like going for Ipsy, but after, like, you know, a few months with Ipsy, I'm just like, that's just not worth it. Like, legit, it is not worth it. And then, you know, my friend brought me up to Boxy Charm, and I was like, okay. But anyways, this is how it is, and it's really nice. Already, it's like, when I opened it, I'm like, damn, like, these products are full size. Like, they really look very nice. So when you open it, it gives you the card. It says, "'Tis the sea, sun," and this is how it looks. In the back, it just basically tells you like what are the products worth, I guess retail price originally. And so I'll show you guys, well, I'll read to you guys what products are in here. So there's the Tarte glitter lip paint, the glittering star eyeliner by Jeanette Blue. I'm not sure. If I fuck up the name, I'm sorry guys, like, I'm so sorry. The Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Primer, the Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette by Wander Beauty, the Suva Beauty, $34. Wow, I only said that price for that one. Anyways, so all of these, I mean, I didn't even say the prices for everything. The Tarte was $20, the eyeliner was $5, the Luscious Cosmetics was $14, the Wonder $26, and like I said, the palette in here, like the only palette is the Suva Beauty, which is $34. You're already paying way less than what everything is worth to me. I mean, I'm not sure how that goes though. Like, are the products, like, do they make it specifically for little things like this? Everything fits really good in here. I'm not even sure what I'm saying. Anyways, let's just get to reading what's in here. I started reading what's in here. I'm so nervous looking into all of this beauty. So the Dusk to Dawn, which is the blush and highlight palette, it comes in this packaging right here. And I really like the back. So City Lights, Havana Nights, Tucson Sunrise. Tucson? Am I saying that right? The City Lights is 0.7 ounces. The Havana Nights is 0.7 ounces. Everything is 0.7 ounces. Tells you the ingredients. Like, in the back, it tells you the ingredients, the ounces, and everything. And yeah, so it reminds me of Hawaii. The packaging is really, really pretty, and it feels really good. Yeah, it reminds me of Hawaii. Look at this beauty. Can you guys see it? It's so beautiful. And then, like, I've never had a product from them, so I don't know how it goes. Oh, this is so nice. And it has like a, oh, I can see myself. Ew, my pores are disgusting. So it has a mirror so you can see yourself when you're putting these beautiful products on. And this is how it looks. Oh, the freaking cover fell for it. And it's really nice. Let's freaking swatch this. So I don't do swatches, so bear with me. This is how it looks. This is the Tucson Sunrise. Damn, that was a horrible swatch. This is how it looks here. And let me use another finger. This is Havana Nights. Damn, I'm like Kim Kardashian with these ugly ass swatches. I'm not even swatching. Am I swatching? Do you guys even see anything? And these are city lights. Ooh, city lights is nice. This is how it looks. Can you guys even see it? I can't even see it on my skin. That's nice though. It's really nice. I am pulling a Kim Kardashian swatch. Alright, that's that. And then there's the shimmering lip paint. Let's open this. I am terrible at opening packages. I usually always get angry and I just break it, and that's very bad. That's very bad. Oh, so I don't know what the heck. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. Oh, this is so nice. I want to wear it already. Maybe I could wear it on top of this. This is how it looks. And this is, how many ounces is this? Does it tell you? I can use it for 12 months. And it is, do you guys even follow those rules? Sometimes I don't even follow. Oh, there's 0.2 ounces. I don't even follow those rules of like, oh, you can only wear it for like this few. Let's see. Alright, on top. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty. Eh. Damn, I put red on the top here. Ooh, it smells really good. That smells really good. Oh, where's that box? Did I drop it? Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm done with that. Then there is the Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, then let's see how it looks. And this is cruelty free. You could use this for 6 months, and it is 0.33 ounces. This is a primer. That's how it looks. That's really good. Really nice. I like the purple. It looks really pretty. I've never heard of this brand. Have you guys heard of this brand? I've never heard of this brand. I've never ever heard of that brand. Maybe I don't know about makeup. I mean, I don't know about makeup, but this is the Jonette Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Long-lasting, intense black color. Update your eyes. This is, you can use it for 24 months, and it tells you the ingredients, but it doesn't tell you anything else. Just that. Let's open it. I'm so terrible at opening these. Okay, let's open it. I want to see how it looks inside. Ooh, this is pretty. So it's really nice. And it has like, obviously glitters. That's really good, really pretty. And I don't have a black eyeliner, so this is freaking awesome. And then the big one, this is a Suva. Yo, I am terrible. I'm freaking murdering their name. Suva Beauty. And this already feels really good. It comes in like this plastic bag. Oh, I forgot to show you guys before. They really take good care of the products, because it comes in this here. This is how it looks. And they like put it like this so it could protect everything. That's really good. So Boxy Charm, you guys are freaking awesome for that. And then it feels really good. It feels like matte, really smooth. And it is what is it? You can use it for 12 months, cruelty free, 0.4 ounces and 0.9 ounces. The eyeshadow palette, made in the USA. Meow meow meow. What is it? Porte. Yo, I murder these names. It's poetic. So the names on the palette is Era, Poetic, Tact, Structure, Balance, Cautious, Aesthetic, and Theory. Ooh, this is nice. You could literally do a look on this. I should have done a look on this. Like, what is my problem? And it comes with the mirror and the plastic here. Take this out. So this is already like freaking awesome. Like, I could just take this to New York and do a look. It comes with everything, literally. The eyeshadows, your highlight, and I mean, you could really use like the structure just for like a blush, a little bit blush. I mean, it looks really good. I really love this. This is freaking awesome, guys. For the price, for $21, I mean, this is freaking nice. I love it. I already love it. I cannot wait to get more. I'm just gonna put the plastic there. Let me put the plastic right. Yeah, putting the plastic there. I'm already in love with everything that I got. I love these products. Oh my goodness, this is so worth the $21 that I paid. But anyways, I have some news for you guys, and I'm gonna share it along with my little bear, the rockera. You know her. You met her in my last video. So yeah, I am excited to tell you guys this. Like, losing my breath. Anyways, so I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. Like, dude, like I started with, well, like 3, and this was me begging my friends to subscribe to my channel, and now I'm like almost at 1,000. Like, who the fuck you think you are, Consuelo? Like, who the fuck you think you are, CC Glam 101? I am so freaking happy and excited, and I've been sharing it, of course. So I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I have told my friends, hey, you know, I'm almost at 1,000, like subscribe to me. But that's what you're supposed to do, you know. You're supposed to like tell people about your channel, and this is what I do. I'm always telling everybody and me, I'm like, oh, I do this or I do that. And I mean, I'm not a big YouTuber. I don't have this like crazy ass personality. I don't do crazy ass shit. I just feel like I want to be myself. I just want you guys to like me for this like quirky, weird ass, boring ass person I am sometimes, and maybe this is what people like, you know. I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm just so excited to tell you that. I'm just so happy. So yeah, that is the big news that I got. I think I am at 997 subscribers, if I'm not mistaken, and I hope nobody unfollows me. But you know, I mean, do I mind? Yes. Like, I was about to say I don't, but I don't care. Bitch, you do care, because you do care. But I'm very happy. I'm very, like, ecstatic, happy. And yeah, so I wanted to share some other great news. So I made my very first friend, like my very first recruiter wife friend. So my husband has this guy, I guess his best friend or whatever at his job, and I met his wife this weekend, and she's so freaking cool. She's Puerto Rican, and she says she speaks Spanish. She speaks Spanish just like me, so it's freaking awesome. And she has like 3 triplets and a daughter, and Selena and the triplets are like the same age, so this is freaking amazing. Like, I don't know, now that I met her and now that I see like my husband and him, like they're cool, it's like it's giving me energy. It's giving me like yeah, it's gonna suck because they're here for another year and a few months, so it's gonna suck because it's like I'm gonna like her and then she's gonna leave and break my heart, you know, so that's gonna suck. But then the thing is that my husband's heart is gonna be broken too because his friend is gonna leave. But that's freaking, I'm freaking excited. I don't want to murder her name, so I'm gonna tell you guys her name. Let me get up because I think my phone is right here. Her name is I don't know how to pronounce your name, girl. Judalis. Her name is Judalis. So hey, Judalis, if you're looking at me, watching my video, I don't want to murder your name, so I'm like, how do I pronounce your name? So yeah, because Consuelo, some people would be fucking up my name. But yeah, so I'm excited about that, guys. And then I have other news, which in the future I'm gonna do a video about a very exciting, very grown-up decisions that me and my husband are gonna be making. He's just not allowing me to say anything for now, but it is what it is. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for freaking being here since the beginning. Everybody who's been with me since I had like 2 subscribers, begging y'all to subscribe to me. Like, this is so exciting. I appreciate the support. I appreciate everything. Thank you for being here even when I'm annoying, when I'm crazy, when I'm going on my rants about army wives and just bullshit ass shit that I went in Hawaii, that happens in Hawaii, you know. So yeah, I'm very excited about what's to come, and I feel very happy. You know, like, I cannot stress that enough. Like, I think when you make a friend, you kind of not like, I don't want to say that I cannot live without a friend, because I can, but it's like it makes you wanna like do more stuff, you know. I don't know, I just feel very happy. And I know in my other video talking about my depression, it's like my depression is not gone like fully, but like the friendship is helping, you know. And I have my other friends, you know, but in other you know, states. In Texas, my friend Kathy, girl, if you're watching me, I fucking love you, but it's like you're far away, you know, and we talk from time to time, and it's not the same anymore when you don't have the person who able to, you know, even every other weekend for you to see them, for you to drive to them and just have that connection, you know. And I have my connection with my friends, but you guys understand being far away and it's different. But I love all my friends that I've made. I mean, I know I went through rants where it's like fuck everybody, but it's like no, like Consuelo, calm down. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, bye. Okay, use this one. Here, use this one. Put it back. Use it. Brush back. Go, use it. Píntate, mi amor. Ten, píntate. She thinks there's stuff in there. Oh my god. Put it back. Here. Oh my god, Mama, you amaze me. Here. Do. She did it again.